We're going to talk about how to increase YouTube views and subscribers. So if you're here and you're having such questions and you're wondering how do I get my YouTube channel off the ground and make sure that I promote it and make sure that I'm crushing it and doing it and making it just like the other big YouTubers that I see on YouTube. Sit here, sit still, don't move, don't go anywhere, because the tips that I have for you will change your channel for the better, from the worst to the better. But now, how do you make sure that you get views, YouTube views? How do other people crush it? The people that you see on YouTube, the big YouTubers that you see, how are they making it? Maybe you've tried for a year, it's been a year, maybe for months, you've tried and you're making content, but then the content doesn't even go anywhere, doesn't even go. Now, you're gonna learn some of the things that you will learn here will take you to the next level regarding YouTube life. Now, your YouTube channel, first of all, how is your YouTube channel set up? YouTube has an algorithm. YouTube is a system. It's a system. It works with scanning. It's an algorithm. What is an algorithm? Algorithm it's like a robot. It's a system that is set, a program set, some robot that is set. It's a machine that is set up. It's programmed to do its work. Now, how does it work? It works it works in different areas, in different ways that it's been programmed. In which way? Now, you need to know that, first of all, number one, YouTube algorithm works with the relevancy. Relevancy, you need to be relevant. Now, what does relevancy mean? Relevancy means when you create your videos and you name them, your name, the title that you give your video, the name that you give your video, is it really searchable? Is it found? Are people being searching? Are people searching for it? So, because if you just get up and make anything that you feel that you want, many people create videos. They make good videos and good quality of videos, and they're such good entertainers. But now they miss one thing. One thing they miss in everything that they do. They miss the title they give to their video throws it under the bus. Now, you can't just pick. You can't, on YouTube, when you're creating content, you can't just get up and pick a name when you are a small YouTuber. Now, big YouTubers get to get away with it. Big YouTubers get to name whatever that they want, any name they come up with. They've got millions and millions of subscribers. Now, those are subscribers. That's a huge audience, whereby whatever that you put on internet, they're just waiting. They're famous already. So anything that you put on upload on YouTube, it goes viral immediately, because your name is already searchable. Your name is already viral. So now, if you're a small YouTuber and you start trying to get yourself off the ground, maybe you've got 10 subscribers, maybe you've got 100 subscribers, or even 1,000 subscribers, you need to look for searchable titles. Titles that are being searched by people. If your videos are not searched anywhere in the world, you're not gonna get views unless you're gonna send links to your friends, your buddies at school, your family, your mothers, your members, your family members. Maybe they're the ones who will view it, but it won't even go anywhere. The world will not search for it. Now, how you get views, and then those views eventually turn into subscribers, is by creating titles that are searchable. Go on YouTube and then search there on top of the search bar. Type in whatever that you want to name. Maybe you want to make a video about how to make biscuits at home in your kitchen. Type in how to make biscuits. Now, you'll see in the search bar there, whenever you want to search for something, where you type in that, and then you will see there is a drop down. There is a drop down menu that drops down, predicting the things that you're about to type. Now, YouTube is telling you basically that these are the searchable key phrases around what you're looking for. And then if you're a viewer and you're not a YouTube creator of videos, you read and then you select out whatever that you. Now, that's the list. That's the most accurate way of doing keyword research. You will see a lot of apps, you will see a lot of softwares, a lot of applications, a lot of sites that tell you that they do a lot of extensions. All of them, you will see them, they will tell you, they'll give you the right keywords, but no other keyword, no other method other than the search bar that YouTube itself gives you on top there. So now, whenever people search for things, The YouTube stores the record. YouTube gives the record. Now, if you've got an extension called Keywords Everywhere, you install that extension from Google Chrome. You install it, go on Google Chrome and type in Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere will come up. Click on it, and then that extension follows the steps. That extension there on top, it will show you the search volume, how many people are searching for a keyword per month. Now, search for a keyword, do your keyword research before you sit and make a video. In the minute you find the keyword and it's got people looking for it, don't go for a very high volume, go for something small, because you don't want to drown into that whole competition. Go for a smaller, at least 1,000 people searching per month. Don't go for 100,000s and 10,000s. That's a big competition for you. Your video won't make it anywhere on the page, on the first page of YouTube. Now go for something small, even if it's 500, even if it's 20 searchable per month, that's fine for your small YouTube channel. So now, take that keyword, sit in front of your camera, and start by saying that keyword, that key phrase that you got from YouTube there on top. Say that phrase. YouTube algorithm loves, that is what they call relevancy. Loves when you name your keyword, and your keyword you search for it, it's already searchable. YouTube itself gave you that keyword. He showed you that this is what people are searching for. So then now you sit, when it looks at your title, sees that title that people are searching for it, it sees it there on your video, and it enters your video. He hears you. Algorithm hears what you say. He knows what you say. YouTube knows exactly each and every single word. That's how it gets to give subtitles to your videos, because it knows what you say. So if you listen to your video and now you didn't say a word, any word out of your title, then that's something fishy. Then it relates and it sees that this video is not relevant because the title didn't say, he didn't even say a word of that title. He didn't even say the title in his video. So make sure you repeat the title several times. But as soon as you start like this, don't worry about introducing yourself. Don't worry about your intro. Start with a key phrase. Tell them, today I'm gonna teach you how to make biscuits in your kitchen. So sit still, don't go anywhere, and learn these tips. So then put your intro. After the intro, then introduce yourself and start your lecture. Now that's relevancy. YouTube loves the relevancy. Now if you follow that relevancy properly, you take that key phrase, you put it in your description at the bottom. That's called optimizing your video. You take it, you put it in your description, and then you take that key phrase, you put it in the tags. Take all that list when you are doing keyword research, that drop down list, copy, write down all of those key phrases that you saw, that it pulled down, YouTube pulled down for you. Write them and then take them and put them, all of them, as tags in your video. That's relevancy right there. Now YouTube will scan your video and then take it and deliver it to people to view it, those who are searching for it, and then eventually it will push it to bigger audience where you'll get even more views and turn those views into subscribers. Now that is one of the ways that you get views, you get YouTube views and subscribers instantly like this, and then it grows. But I'm not promising you that they're gonna start growing in a couple of days. No, it takes a while. Let your channel grow. If you just started your channel just recently, 2 days ago, give it some time to grow. Give it, customize it properly, optimize it properly. Now I've got videos if you really want to know how to customize your YouTube channel and optimize it. Put it there in the comment box, because the videos I usually make videos answering YouTube questions. Any questions about YouTube, I usually make videos to answer it. I never just answer in the comments, I answer with a video. You ask a question, I answer with a video. That's why I usually say, touch the subscribe button if you're new here, and touch the bell button, so that whenever I answer your question with a video, you will receive a message that the video has been now uploaded. So now that's one of the ways in order to increase your views, get views on YouTube and subscribers. Now other ways include going into sites, sharing links, but that another video of the other time. We don't have much time to give you all the tips here, but keep tuning for more tips on how to get views and subscribers. Now you can use other methods. Now do not do sub for sub. Please do not do sub for sub. Sub for sub is not a good way. Sub for sub will hurt your channel. Leave the sub for sub people alone. YouTube can see that you're doing sub for sub. You can see it. Imagine you've got all you enter groups, groups that most of those people that are in there are from India. I know you're desperate to get to 1,000 views, but remember, besides the 1,000 views for you to monetize, you need 4,000 hours watch time. 4,000 hours watch time within 12 months. That 4,000 hours goes with the 1,000 subscribers. So do not neglect the other way. The subscribers that you're getting from the subscribers you get from sub for sub are not they are not interested in your content. They don't like your content. They didn't subscribe to you because they watched the video to the end and they fell in love with it and they said, this is really what I want. Let me subscribe for the next one. They don't watch. They just jump in, subscribe, and then out. Now that's an audience that you cannot rely on. If you lean against sub for sub, where are you going to get the hours, the 4,000 watch time hours in order to monetize? Because 1,000 subscribers isn't enough. Now, sub for sub is not a good way to go. Now, make sure that you customize your videos, optimize your channel, and make sure that you make it proper for the algorithm to find you. Make sure that you follow cross your fingers like this just for the algorithm to tap into your videos, to tap into your channel. Impress the algorithm. Don't start going for sub. Don't start begging people on their channels, begging them to subscribe to your video. It's so cheap. It's so cheap. Those are subscribers that will just give you a number. Some of them will start even unsubscribing you. Some of them, YouTube will disable their accounts simply because of that spamming. It will disable the accounts, and then the more channels are disabled, the more channels are suspended, the more your own count, your own number here reduces. So those are just fake. Don't go for that. Go for the right way, a right organic way. Tell people about your channel. Tell your friends. Tell at school. Tell them about your at church. Tell them in your community. Tell them about your faith. Now, the other way to actually get it organically is when you're making a video, get your friends, get your buddies, get your neighbors, get your friends, your whole group, the whole gang. Put it in your video. Let them participate. Let them do something all together. Now, that way, when the video is up and running, you're going to tell them that the video is up, and then all of them will go on their devices at home, wherever they are. They will go on, get data on their phones, and watch that video. Those are views. Now, after watching the video, they will tell their friends on the other side. Friends will come and watch. They will tell their families. Friends of friends will go and tell friends of friends to watch that video. Do you see how the video is getting views? By people commenting and interaction. Now, that interaction is another way. Is another way of increasing, triggering the algorithm. Now, the more your friends will watch it, remember they are in the video and they will show off outside there that I'm in a YouTube video. The more they show off, the more you get views. The more you get views, the more you trigger the algorithm to start promoting your video, YouTube, suggesting your video to other bigger audience. So that's the only way. If you really want to impress the algorithm, go the natural, organic way. Leave sub for sub, leave all those apps. I know it's a little bit, it will take you time. I know it will take you time, but in the end, it will pay off. And when you start crushing it, you will never turn away. You will never turn back. You never look back again. So all those YouTubers, you see big YouTubers with million subscribers, they all started from zero. They all started from somewhere. So just be patient. Be patient. Love what you're doing. Don't do it desperately. Don't do it for money. Love it. It has to come as a passion. Be a good creator. Start creating. Enjoy creating videos. Just see it as a class. Basically, kill the whole of first year. The whole of first year, sacrifice it doing your videos. Now, the other thing that also triggers the algorithm is consistency. Consistency. You need to be consistent. If you've got time and you do videos every day, the more you upload, the more you trigger the algorithm. The sooner you will trigger it. You won't trigger the algorithm if you upload once a month. If you make a video and upload it twice a month, YouTube channels that grow very fast, they do every day. They upload every day. They upload every day. Every day they're busy working. Now, the more you create, remember when you upload something on YouTube, you create a link. YouTube creates a link for that video that you've uploaded. Now, the more videos you upload, you get the algorithm to work. You get it to work, and eventually, algorithm is like, who's these video links that is busy putting up links? Then you attract its attention. Attention is attracted. So keep uploading every day. Daily uploading is the best. If you can, even 10 times a day. Gamers and all of those gamers and sports and entertainers, they upload every day. That is how they get to trigger the algorithm, because they keep people on the platform, and that's what YouTube loves the most. So if you want to see more videos, make sure that you subscribe there at the bottom. Touch the bell button to receive a notification whenever I upload a YouTube video just for you. Israel again, so keep coming back again for more videos and tips about how to create a YouTube channel and promote your videos. Bye-bye.